G'day guys, welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. Today we've got something awesome for you. So follow me on site and I'm going to unveil a fantastic shed. Awesome. It's 10 metres deep, 14 metres across. We've got 4 metres to the gutter and then a 15-degree pitch on the roof, taking it up to 5.4 metres. So those are sort of dimensions to get an idea of the scale of the shed. Now follow me around and I'm going to walk you inside, and I know people are going to be like, woo-wee. So come on through. Beautiful joinery here from City Glass. Nice ranch slider, 2 metres tall, 2.4 metres wide. Well, I do a lot of these on the sheds because they just work fantastic. Beautiful opening mechanism. Now this shed, we built this about 1.5 years ago. So you can see, looks brand new. Come on inside. Woo! So the owners of this shed have very kindly let me film a video and show you what's going on inside. And man, I've been blown away. Like, I was last here when we were building this shed. The fit out that's been done on the inside. I mean, isn't this fantastic? Like, we're talking ultimate man cave here. We got the bar leaner. We got the bar itself. Like, who couldn't picture themselves having a great time with their mates sitting behind the bar here? We got the, you know, Willie the waiter cups. I could certainly be filling myself out one of these for Willie's 70th birthday. You know, this is fantastic. Put the sports on the big screen. Any troublemakers coming along, we've got the nunchucks up on the wall. We've got drum sets. What we did as well is we consented it, so we've got the toilet in here as well. So you can always got the lemon trees, but nice little toilet. So we've consented that as well, so it's all fully legit. Another wonderful double glazed bit of joinery here from City Glass, 900 by 1700. Big, nice, thick liners. And it's all just done so nicely with the ply. I love it, you know, a big steel shed, but all sorted out with nice plywood as well. So it's a fantastic little setup. Follow me around the barn and I'll show you else what's going on here as well. Whew, bar fridge here. Nice little sink set up in here as well. And then check this out, Williams Worn, little homebrew kit in there as well. All right, now let's head on through and I'm going to show you the workshop side of this shed. You know, this is the place where you'll be earning up a well-deserved thirst, because obviously we've got the bar to settle it. So come on through and let me show you what's going on. Awesome. Now, we got the awesome bar through on that side, and now we have got a kick-ass workshop in here. We've got all the workbenches in there. Got lots of nice little 900 by 1200 windows to give a lot of light in here. Up on the ceiling, big LED high bays. I mean, it is bright in here. So workbenches, we've got it, hydraulics, air compressors. Behind you, we've got the full hoist as well. So as I mentioned, we'll put deep, thick hoist thickenings into the concrete so that we can put big hoists in here, and there's going to be no issue with cracking on the concrete floor. We fill these floors up full of steel. Follow me around. Yeah, we've got all the toolboxes. We've got the classic knee braces up here, strength by design. All right, so this shed was built by Kyron Backs, KAB Construction and his crew, and they've done a fantastic job. What we've got in here, you can see, is our standard girts offering the strength. Got the electricity all run through here. We've got the J-track, how we frame out all our windows. So, you know, big shout out to Metalcraft up in Auckland. They've done the structure for us. Metalcraft in Hamilton, they're rolling all this cladding. So excellent T-rib cladding. Colorsteel, New Zealand steel. It's all New Zealand made, you know. When you're getting a Waikato shed, you're supporting the Waikato and you're supporting New Zealand. And that's a big deal to me, you know. We wear it on here, but we want to support New Zealand, you know. City Glass Hamilton, I've mentioned. This whole concrete slab has been done by A1 Bobcats and Concrete out of Cambridge. So, you know, fantastic to see all of this going on. Konnect Fastenings out of Hamilton, they've sorted out all the screws, but also all the bolts. You know, when we look up into the knee braces, ABX braces, these are all bolted together. This is no flimsy little screws. This is a shed that's going to be lasting 50 years. And with all the cool gear that you got inside here, you can see why. All right, let's follow me around. We can check out some of these fantastic doors as well. Bikes, oil, what a shed. So we've got these fantastic roller doors. Now these have been made by Garador and then installed by Waikato door specialists. Excellent at what they do. These are both 3.8 meters tall, and then this one's 4 meters wide and this one's 3.2 meters wide. With the automatic openers, press a button and just easy open close. You know, this has been designed that the caravan can go in here, and the moment it's full of toys, it's just such smooth opening, makes it nice and easy. You know, when you're gonna have a shed like this, you can treat yourself to a little bit of luxury like that. And then boom, hit it, and then close it back down. Now come on through, and this is another fantastic idea the owner's done here. So, that's it. Nice little Waikato shed emblem on there. You know you're dealing with quality. This is a Metalcraft personal access door. And people are like, oh, okay, what's the difference in the door? This is full steel on both sides and it's actually insulated on the inside. So they do an excellent job, and these are made out in the factory in Hamilton. So it's just another little touch, just makes it that little bit better. But what they've done is they've framed it, and I think this is a great idea and I recommend it to a lot of clients, is they've framed out the man cave and then they've got themselves a storage and a mezzanine on there as well. So it's a great way to use that extra space, because we've got all this headroom that's great for the hoists, great to put big tall boats and caravans in. But hey, we've got the man cave downstairs. Let's have a little walk upstairs and see what they've done up here. So we've got these great stairs that we've been walking up. Client's done a great job. What it also does, gives us an opportunity to have a look up at how we're constructed and the apex braces up here. So, I mean, we're often talking from the ground and looking up, but you can see it's all bolted together. Like, the strength of these buildings is absolutely fantastic. We've got the X bracing in the ceiling. They've actually put a little bit of silicone in here to stop any jolting in here. Fly bracing. Then we've got all the purlins in here. So like, absolute strength. As you can see upstairs, just fantastic for storage. I mean, this shed has been done really well. I'm proud of all the guys that have built it. I'm proud of the design. In fact, we've got all the paper in the roof, Thermakraft paper on the roof, Watergate Plus on the walls, Kingspan supply all of this stuff for us. So we've just got a great product, and you can see how well it's done. And a shout out to the clients, they actually brought this off me just after the first COVID lockdown. They backed New Zealand, they backed the Waikato and Waikato Sheds that the world wasn't going to end, and then we were able to deliver this fantastic product for them. So thanks everybody for watching. If you've got any questions, just comment below. Give us a like, give us a share, it helps out the channel massively, and make sure to subscribe. All right guys, thanks.